3, 2, right back on it. Russia. Russia. 5, 4, 3, 2. Switching up the grip. We in every part of our back. 5, 4, 3, 2. Right to the chin up. Working on the middle of the back and them biceps. Third. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Yep. Good work. Right back to it. We're gonna do 3 sets. 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3, 2. 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's work. 3, 2. Regular jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah. Yes, sir. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Finish up, Sean. Roll, Sean. Last one. 3, 4. Yes, sir. 5, 4.
I'm scared to come out here.
3.
I've already been lifting for 2 hours.
We pushing, man. 1, 2. Let's go. Yes, sir. 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes, sir. We work, man. We working. Love it. Yes, sir. We fighting every rep. 5, 4, 3, 2. We ain't stopping, bro. 10 more. 1. Yes, sir. 2, 3, 4. Yes, sir. 5 seconds. Last one, man. 5, 4. Woo! 3, 2. We working, man. 1. Yes, sir. 2, 3. One more. Yes, sir. Yeah. Try this out when y'all get a chance. It could be a beginner, it could be in the middle of your routine, or it could be a finisher for you. Remember, calisthenics is more about that mind, man. It's about your endurance.